Hi, I'm Mark Daniels, the Wordbay guy, the author of the Wordbay eBay listings plugin for WordPress. I just want to quickly show you how simple it is to add eBay listings to your WordPress blog using the Wordbay plugin. And I'm going to do it in real time using a test page on my Wordbay site, okay? And so if it's a bit slow, that's because my site's slow and not because the plugin's slow. Okay, so we do add new page. Yeah, I know I haven't upgraded WordPress, so sue me. Add a new page. And we'll just give it a title. Test page to show off the Wordbay eBay listings plugin. Okay, and then we write our post content like this. eBay plugins are really good. Here are some, I don't know why I always use this example. Here are some green iPods. I think there's a real niche there for green iPods. There's a little tip for you. But the thing that really interests us, so this is our post content. It could be anything, could be 1,000 words if you want. But the point is we're going to insert our keywords now. And our keywords are going to be green iPod, and this is what we want the Wordbay plugin to search eBay for. And we enclose this in the magic Wordbay shortcodes. No, Wordbay shortcodes. And we do it like this. And that's all we need to do. There's some options here. We'll have a look at those in a moment. But I'll just do save draft here, and then we'll preview it. I don't want to really publish this live on my on my quality blog. Okay, so that's just the draft shaved. So imagine we're publishing now, so we're just going to preview it. And it chugs away. It'll take a little bit longer the first time it loads the page because it has to fetch the listings from eBay and process them and everything. But because it caches them, the next time it gets the page, within the next 10 minutes or so, the page will load much quicker because it's all cached on disk. And here we go. Here's our page. Test page so show off the Wordbay plugin. There's our text, and here an amazing, beautiful, wonderful eBay listings based on our keywords green iPod. And there's a little bit of overflow there of the picture. That's because eBay increased the size of their pictures recently to some slightly higher picture size. So it may need just a little tweak there in the settings to reduce the size of the picture, but that's no big deal. I'll probably fix that in the next version. There's always new versions coming out, by the way, of the Wordbay plugin. And you get free updates forever and ever if you buy your copy now. You get great support. You basically get support for life, or until we all go crazy and give up. And by the way, I just wanted to mention this as well. We won't demonstrate this now, but there's also a widget. So you go into your widget section in your WordPress backend section, and you just drag the Wordbay widget over to the whatever widget position you want, and you can enter a few settings there, like the keyword in particular, and it will display your listings in a widget position of your choice. And you can have vertical widget, and you can also, if you've got horizontal widget positions defined, you can, like here where I'm showing, you could put them there as well. So that's another way of displaying eBay listings on your blog. And just going back to here, I mentioned these settings here. These are per page settings, and these let you change certain things on a page level. So there's already a global setting. Here's a global eBay campaign ID. That's a dummy one that I set up, so it doesn't mess up my campaigns with any clicks. But you could, for each page, you could have a different eBay campaign ID if you really wanted to track your sales really closely. And here, maximum items to list, we had 10 items listing there. I think that's a bit many, a bit too much really. Google doesn't really like too many affiliate links on one page, and if you've only got a teensy bit of text like I've done, your page is just not going to even get indexed by Google probably. So you want to reduce that a bit, have a lot more content and a lot less listings, so put 2 or 4 or something like that. Here, sellers, you could set for a specific seller on a specific page, so you could have a whole site about a particular niche and feature different sellers, different eBay sellers on different pages. You can set the minimum and the maximum price, so you can stop it listing cheap items, or maybe, I don't know, if you're listing Ferraris or something, you can set a minimum price of like 20 grand, so it doesn't end up listing Ferrari bumper stickers and all that kind of stuff. So you can filter it in that way. Minimum bids, sometimes you want to just filter on just for items that have a certain number of bids. And then there's these settings as well, these local settings, the maximum distance from a particular postal code, so you can list just for, I don't know, your town or something. This is this minimum required difference, that's a little trick I wrote to eliminate duplicates, because you get a lot of duplicates on eBay. And this header text here, where it says custom listing title, goes here. That's the default, and here you can see on this listing it says custom listing title goes here. Obviously you want to change that, and you can change that for each page and put, get your green iPods here. And also you can set eBay categories here on a page by page basis. I find that very fiddly, but some people want to really drill down and only feature certain categories. So that is very quickly how you use the Wordbay plugin to insert eBay listings on your Wordbay blog. You can go and find out more about the Wordbay plugin on www.thewordbay.com. That's www.thewordbay.com.